Answer to question 1.1.2. So we have the equation square root of 6x squared minus 15 equal to x plus 1. So that is the question we are having. The first step is to take the square for both sides. Take square for both sides. We have 6x squared minus 15 all square equal to x plus 1 all square. Now we are going to have the square root 6x squared minus 15 square equal to x plus 1 into x plus 1. Now that is what we are going to have now. Now let us consider this one, the square root of 6x squared minus 15 all square. So automatically this square here will cancel the root here. These two will go for the square root. So we are going to left with 6x squared minus 15 equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Because when we expand the x plus 1 into x plus 1, it's going to give us x squared plus 2x plus 1. So let us now arrange everything to this side. So we are going to have 6x squared minus x squared minus 2x minus 15 minus 1, everything equal to 0. Now we have arranged everything now. We have rearranged everything in one side in order to get our quadratic equation. Therefore, we have 5x squared minus 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation which can be factorized. So what you need now is to multiply our a here, which is 5, by 16. So when you multiply 5 by negative 16, it's going to give us negative 80. Now we need the two factors. When you multiply it together, it must give us negative 80. And when you add them together, it must also give us negative 2. So which means we are going to use negative 10 and a positive 8. So let us write it down. 5x squared minus 10x plus 8x minus 16 is equal to 0. Now, from here now, we can see that when we have minus 10x plus 8x is going to give us minus 2x. So which means we are fine with the minus 10 and positive 8. So now we have a complete factorization expression. So we cannot divide it into 2. Let this one go for this, and this one also for this. So let us factorize it now. Let us factorize this. 5x squared minus 10x. So what is common between 5x squared and the minus 10x? This is 5x is common. 5x is common. Then we are going to have x left here, and then we are going to have minus 2 here. So what is common here now between 8x and minus 16? Plus 8 will be common. Plus 8. So what are we left with? We are left with x here and minus 2. Everything must be equal to 0. Now, if you check what we have inside the bracket, they are the same thing. What we have inside the bracket, they are the same thing. We are going to take only one and take what we have outside the bracket again. So we have 5x plus 8 into x minus 2 equal to 0. That is, x minus 2 is the inside the bracket. So we are going to take one out of the 2 equal to 0. Therefore, our 5x plus 8 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0. We now have x is equal to minus 8 over 5 or 2. We have two answers for x now. What we need to do is to check. We need to check. Left hand side must be equal to left hand side must be equal to right hand side. Left hand side must be equal to right hand side. So let us prove it now. 6 into minus 8 over 5 squared minus 15 equal to minus 8 over 5 plus 1. Well, when we check this one critically from the calculator, this side cannot be equal to this side. So therefore, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. This is not equal to, it's not. So let us check the other one. 6, the square root of 6 into 2 all square minus 15 must be equal to 2 plus 1, because our x is equal to. So when you do this one critically, we are going to have square root of 9 must be equal to 3. So 3 is equal to 3 now. We can see our left hand side is also the same thing as a right hand side. So therefore, x is equal to 2. So now we cannot conclude that our x is equal to 2 from the calculation. So the answer for question 1, 1, 2, x is equal to 2.